Hello everyone, friends. We are on the trading platform of the broker Quotex. Today we have a clean chart and we'll be trading based on support and resistance levels. We'll be looking for price pullbacks on a clean chart. Our expiration time is 5 minutes and the investment amount is $15. I think that's more than enough. Let's see what's happening in the market. Maybe we'll open some trades somewhere. On the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, we'll open a trade for a decrease. Let's take a look at this situation. We had a prolonged sideways channel here. The lower boundary of the sideways channel has a strong support zone. In this case, the price broke through this zone. And now it has returned to it for a retest. Most likely it will go lower. Euro Swiss franc will probably open for an increase. First of all, we have a support resistance zone. Secondly, an uptrend has started. The price has broken through this zone. I expect that now. The price will likely consolidate for a while at this important zone and then go higher, eventually breaking the local maximum. Moreover, we have a very nice and clear W shape here, which tells us that there was a trend reversal. It's clearly visible on the chart, and in the correct form, the left bottom is lower than the right bottom. This indicates a significant trend change, and it's something traders should pay close attention to. The Canadian dollar yen will open for a decrease in the local maximum. It's all simple here. By the way, you can also open a short position on the euro-yen pair. Here we have a support resistance zone. Previously, it was a support zone. After being broken, it became a resistance zone and started pushing the price down. British pound yen local maximum. I'm opening a short position. Euro and Australian dollar will be opened for an increase. We have an upward trend. The price has now returned to the previously broken resistance zone, and I expect it to move up from there in the near future. So let's see what's working out for us and what isn't. Let's switch to the 5-second chart and see if it's worth duplicating any trades somewhere. Euro Swiss franc is just a bit below the entry point. Australian dollar on yen, so far it's also unclear how it will close. There's still a minute left here. Well, basically the price hasn't moved significantly anywhere, either into the negative or positive, so there's no reason yet to open more trades or be sure a trade will close in profit, or on the contrary, in the negative. For now, everything is still basically within the margin of error. The only thing is, the euro Swiss francs has declined slightly in value recently. Should we open an additional position here? Yes, let's probably open one. Here, it's completely unclear what's going on. The price could end up in profit or remain in the negative. Well, let's wait. There are 7 seconds left, we'll find out soon. But in the last seconds, yes, the forecast worked out, and everything is good here. So it turns out we had 7 trades open, and it's still unclear how they'll close. Well, in principle they should probably be profitable. Everything is pointing to most of the trades ending up in profit. We probably won't be able to close all of them in profit, but yeah, at least here with 20 seconds left, the price probably won't have time to come back. So the second trade will most likely definitely be a loss. We'll take a loss on that one. Yes, the trade is closing at a loss, but there's a second trade. Hopefully, at least the second trade will close in profit. So we're about to have a trade close now. The CAD JPY trade is about to close now. We have 35 seconds left. And the price is still in profit for now. Basically, all our yen assets are in profit. And the euro Australian dollar is also in profit for now. There's still a minute and 40 seconds left here. There's still plenty of time. Everything could still change. Yes, the Canadian yen is also about to close in profit now. Well, it seems so. Looks like everything is good. Euro yen will also be in profit in 10 seconds. And the price keeps falling. I like that. But what I don't like is that the price isn't rising on the euro Swiss franc. At this rate, the second trade will also close at a loss. Another trade closes in profit. So, what do we have? 40 seconds left on the euro Australian dollar, but there are some sharp price movements happening here. They're trying to push the price back to the entry point. That's obviously bad for me, but here, by the way, the price has gone up. It went up, but not enough. It's still unclear whether there will be a profit or not. 20 seconds left on the euro Australian dollar. We're slowly moving towards the finish, and I hope nothing changes. I hope the price stays in the profit zone for us. 5 seconds. Well, yeah, most likely this will be a profit. Yes, excellent. That's it. I'm not worried about this trade. Only the Euro-Swiss franc remains. So far we've closed 6 trades, and one of them was a loss. If this one closes in profit, that would be just great. So I only had one wrong prediction. Or 2, if this trade closes at a loss. Yeah, the first trade, of course, was really frustrating how it closed. By the way, here it's also completely unclear. The price isn't going anywhere, neither up nor down. So here, it's really just purely luck. Of course, I make my predictions based on certain recognizable patterns. I carefully look at the chart, and I try to make an educated guess about where the price is most likely to go. Sometimes, despite all this analysis, it still comes down to chance. But in this case, it's just pure luck. It's a point higher, a point lower. The price could end up in the profit zone or in the loss zone, and accordingly, that will affect the outcome of the trade itself. Even though the overall price movement might be predicted correctly. Alright, 2 seconds left. No, it turns out we're in profit after all. Yes, so for this trading session we have 6 trades in profit and 1 trade in loss. I think that's a very good result. So, this is how you can trade using support and resistance levels. Of course, it's clear that you won't always get results like this. Sometimes there are even losing trading sessions, but most trading sessions are still profitable, and that's why you can gradually earn money. Thank you all very much for watching this video. Wishing everyone successful trading. Goodbye.